I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition.
Hey Jazzy Dog Gang, and welcome back to another vlog. For those of you who are new, I'm Jasmine. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go any further. Make sure that you subscribe, sis, and go ahead and join the Jazzy Dog Gang. So today is Tuesday, girl. Is it Tuesday or Wednesday? It's one of them days. But anyway, I just finished up at the shop. I just need to touch up my lips, and we are actually about to head to Ulta, I believe, because I do have to pick up a few things from there, and I forgot my mount, so it'll be all right. I'm just gonna touch up my lips. I'm gonna be using Sugar High by NYX. Put a little bit in the mirror. I just go on top of that with some clear gloss. Cute. Okay. All right, and I need to put a little oil on my hands because the weather, it done got it back a little bit cool, but it's still warm. I mean, I have sandals on, but it's not as warm as it could be. I just got on a t-shirt with some gray, whatever these are, some sandals, my black bag, hat, ponytail, you know, a little shimmer. A little something casual. I really need to wash my hair, so we'll probably do that later on tonight, I hope, because I really need to wash my hair. But anyway, I am about to leave and head to Ulta, so I will see y'all once we make it to Ulta. I need to get some. Duo.
We could have been. Somebody hear me. Somebody tell me the answers. Being you isn't the answer. Being you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? Yeah. It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you alone. Part of me that carries is gone, and I know.
Hey, y'all. So today is the next day. I didn't come back and show y'all what I actually got from Ulta yesterday. I'm actually about to head to the gym. I need to hurry up. But so yesterday from Ulta, I picked up some clear duo lash glue. I use this in my kit, my makeup kit at the shop for my clients, especially like when I'm applying like rhinestones and stuff like that. I use the clear kind so that you won't be able to see it. I picked up some more of this Morphe brow cream in the shade Chocolate Mousse. This is really good, y'all. And then I picked up some mascara. This is by the brand Essence. And then I also picked up this NYX Epic Wear liquid liner. This is my favorite liner. I wish it dried down faster, but usually when I apply this, I tell my client to keep their eyes closed until I tell them to open them again, until it dries down. Because if they open their eye, the black liner, if it's wet, it gets at the top of their eyeshadow and messes it up. So I also bought a NYX brow pencil in the shade Espresso. So yeah, that's all I got for the shop. And then I did get myself something, believe it or not, just one thing. So while I was also at Ulta, I picked up this e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand blush, and it's in the shade, girl, it don't even say it, but it might say it when I take it out. We'll use this in later on in this vlog, so I'll show you how it works and let you know how I like it. I got to go right behind. All right, y'all, let's head to the gym. Let me grab some water. I usually get one cold, one room temp. I need to take my vitamins. These are the vitamins that I'm currently taking. The one-a-day VitaCraze Women Gummies. 6 key vital things up in there. You take this after working out. And then we gotta go. I'll see y'all once I make it to the gym. Morning, girl. So, it said, I don't think I vlogged yesterday. I can't remember, but we're gonna get ready to go into Fashion World. I have to grab a pair of lashes, so that's what we are about to do. Home Goods. Okay, what did I get from Home Goods? Earlier, I got these coasters. I really love how the black hardware is, and then the wooden coasters. I feel like it goes with the vibe of my dining table, which I haven't shown y'all yet, but I guess I can go ahead and show it to y'all. It's pretty much done. I just have to add, I really want to take away the mirror that's over there, but I haven't figured out what I want to do, put it right there, so for now it stays, but I don't really care for the way it looks. So these came from Home Goods and they were $7.99. Let me take the sticker off the bottom. So this is how the table looks. The table comes with 6 chairs, but we're not done putting the rest of them together, so it's just 3 for now. The other ones are over here in the corner. But so yeah, and then I just got these paintings because I thought they were cute, had like a cute little abstract look, so I got those are cute. And I love these. All of this stuff came from Home Goods. I love these so much. The vase came from Home Goods, $12. The runner came from Home Goods. Yeah, so let's see how the coasters look. Should I put them there, or should I just put them kind of like right here where you can't really see them? So yeah, that's how it looks with the coaster. But yeah, I think it's very freaking cute. So yeah, get it sexy, get it sexy, get it sexy. How cute is this? We in TJ Maxx, y'all. We just got out of church, but this is freaking cute. So it's this bag. Do not play with them. Hey y'all, so I just got back from church. Honey, listen, this vlog been a little all over the place. But I actually just got out of, well, I didn't just leave church, but I did go to church today. I did attend church today. And after church, we actually went and ate. Ooh, and ate at Golden Corral. It was not that good either. You know, the last couple times I've been to Golden Corral, it has not been any good. Yeah, we ate there, and then now I'm back at home. So I did. We would stop by TJ Maxx, but I didn't buy anything out of TJ Maxx. Believe it or not. Yeah, so I'm just back home, and I'm like, you know what? Look at my closet. I really need to get a grip. I really need to get a grip. Like, it's not that bad, but this bin of shoes, I really need to go through these and get rid of what's no longer serving me any purpose. So I just feel like I'm holding on to things that are serving me no purpose. I don't use them. I don't have plans to use them. They're just taking up space, holding up space that could be cleared and used for other reasons, either other reasons, newer things, or just, making room for the new. So I'm actually about to take my church clothes off. I looked cute today. Period. I'm gonna take this, get changed, and then we're gonna tackle these shoes because all right, y'all. I'm all changed, but I'm actually just gonna let this be some B-roll footage. So less talking and more. We're gonna make a keep pile and a donate pile, like giveaway pile. So yeah, let's get started.
Cause girls is players too. Cause girls is players too. My heart still feels bad. Bitches get money all around the world. Bitches get money all around the world. Bitches get money all around the world. What you know about living on the top? Penthouse suites, looking down on the ops. Took her for a test drive, left them on the lot. Time is money, so I spend it on a watch. Hold on, little titty showing through the white tee. You can see the thong busting on my tight jeans. Okay, rocks on my fingers like a nigga wife me. Got another shorty, shit ain't nothing like me. Yeah, about to catch another fight. The apple bottom make him wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up, don't know, now you know. If you broke, then you gotta let him go. You can have anybody, any money, no. Cause when you boss, you could do what you want. Cause girls is players too. Cause girls is players too. Cause girls is players too. Bitches get money all around the world. 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 Bitches get money all around the world.
Give me a T. Give me a A. Give me a give me a T. Give me a A. Give me a T. Look at me, I ain't even got no hat on up here doing this. Like, we at Target, we at my soul. Period. Oh hey. It's spring break, y'all. Aiden and I just left the gym and we are getting ready to head to Target. So far we have not found anything in here. We really need to focus on getting something for Easter, but we're probably gonna hit Old Navy and see what they have after we head over here to Starbucks. Here's sausage and egg wrap. And make sure I have That'll be it. All right, dolls. So this is the end of this vlog. Aiden and I just had breakfast from Starbucks, and then we actually found something to wear for Easter. So you'll actually have to tune into next week's vlog to see what we chose to wear for Easter. And yeah, I love y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye.
I miss my Taco